Hello, everyone. I'm Amy, DFI Product Manager. I'm happy to introduce our latest ADL-S motherboard in cooperation with Intel to share the details about the 12th Gen Intel platform, whose code name is Alder Lake. We've invited Intel's Technical Account Manager, Sherman Chen, to discuss the applications, scenarios, and success cases powered by this platform. Today's agenda includes a brief introduction of 12th Gen Intel platform. Alder Lake, DFI's ADX board adds 630 in application market and successful cases. First, let's welcome Sherman for a brief introduction to the Alder Lake platform.
Hello everyone, this is Intel FA Sherman. Thanks for DFI's invitation for joining this webinar. It's my honor to be here to share the latest Intel 12th Gen Core platform product. Today, we are going to share more details about Intel's next major step in compute journey, our 12th Gen Intel Core processor family, codenamed Alder Lake. 12th Gen processor is the first product built on Intel 7 process technology, and the architecture can offer the highest performance. It's the first time in generations that we have supported all product segments on the same architecture. In addition, this is the first performance hybrid design introducing to all new core microarchitecture, performance cores, and efficient cores, and the new Intel 3 Direct technology, which directs the OS to assign the right workload on the right core or thread at the right time. The performance core provides an improvement about 90% across a wide range of workloads over our current 11th Gen Intel Core architecture at the same frequency. And the efficient core brings a massive increase in multi-threaded performance or in more efficient use of power. And then Intel 3 Director enables the intelligent optimization of the placement of workload onto individual cores. Beyond those architectural advancements, there are tons of other new features and improvements we have made to lead the way in bringing innovative and high-performance computing to the market with 12th Gen processors. From increased L2 and L3 Intel Smart Cache to PCIe Gen 4 support by both processor and the new chipset, as well as enhanced versions of memory and core and our integrated graphics with Xe architecture. When you combine this platform that will reach up to 5 GHz on the Core i9 SKU with our other fantastic technologies like Wi-Fi 6E and Thunderbolt 4. Intel's new performance core microarchitecture is the highest performing CPU cores that we have ever built. We are talking about 19% performance improvement gen on gen. It's designed for speed and pushes the limits of the low latency and single-threaded application performance. P-cores are optimized for single and lightly threaded performance, enhancing productivity workloads. Intel's new efficient core microarchitecture is designed for throughput efficiency, enabling scalable multi-thread performance for modern multitasking. E-cores are also optimized for scaling highly threaded workloads, minimizing interruption from background task management. The hybrid architecture is all about adaptability for real-world usage, and these cores can help enable that. Intel's new hybrid architecture is available on all 12th Gen Core i9 and Core i7 desktop processors. With the 12th Gen processor, we continue our legacy of leadership and innovation in the industry. We are leading the transition to PCIe Gen 5, being ready to user in a wave of new devices, taking advantage of better throughput and storage upgrades. We are leading the industry transition to DDR5, delivering faster speeds and higher bandwidth. We expect the community to take full advantage of the greater experiences enabled as our partner in the ecosystem launch and continue to mature this new technology in the market. Regarding the software, Intel 12th Gen processor can also support OpenVINO Toolkit for AI inference application. The Intel OpenVINO Toolkit is a tool suite for high-performance deep learning inference. It enables high-performing applications and algorithms to be deployed in a real world. In addition, the path to inferencing is simplified with a streamlined development workflow. With a write once, deploy anywhere approach, developers can write an application or algorithm once and deploy it across Intel architecture, including CPU, iGPU, Mobidius VPU, and GNA. This page is to show the journey of AI deployment. First, build your AI prediction models. Developers need to identify the AI framework and topology for their applications. Second, optimize the prediction model by using OpenVINO Model Optimizer. OpenVINO also supports many tools to optimize the model, such as POT, NNCF, and Deep Learning Workbench. Third, deploy your model at the edge. Intel collaborates with DFI to develop a workload consolidation solution on Intel 12th Gen processor. The solution demonstrates multi-workload in a virtualized environment on one system for industrial and retail use cases. One workload is adopting OpenVINO to boost AI inference performance. The other workload also enables graphic SIOB feature to increase video playback performance in a virtual machine. Feel free to refer to the white paper in the web link below. This is the end of this section. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, Sherman. The presentation sounds incredibly impressive and clear. I believe everyone already has an overview and gained more profound insights and in-depth knowledge about the 12th Gen Intel platform. Next, we will introduce DFI newest primary model ADS-630. ADS-630 is an ATX model based on 12th generation Intel Core processors. By designing a new hybrid architecture, intelligently allocating computing resources, and improving the workload efficiency of visual computing by nearly 50%, we have improved the efficiency of automated production lines and machine vision applications. ADS-630 rear I/O has quad display functions of VGA, HDMI, and 2DP, as well as two 2.5 GB LAN, two 10 GB LAN, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 connectors. For the transmission, sharing, and backup of a large amount of data, the high-speed 10 GBE on the ADS-630 dramatically improves operation efficiency. The board also supports wireless Wi-Fi 6E, providing high-speed transmission up to 6 GHz, which is 1.4 times faster than Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6, making the device configuration more flexible and optimizing the cooperation of edge devices. The internal interfaces include ADL-S LGA 1700 socket CPU, 4 DDR4 UDIM, 1 PCIe by 16, 4 PCIe by 4, 2 PCI, and supports up to 2 M.2 M keys, 1 M.2 E key, and 4 SATA devices. Multiple PCIe and PCI specifications can be matched with a graphics card, network cards, motion control cards, etc., with a high degree of freedom and flexible applications. And more important, Intel supports PCIe 5.0 high-speed signal transmission, which doubles the data transmission speed compared to the previous generation of PCIe 4.0, accelerating the speed of visual computing for large amounts of data and image processing. The M.2 expansion specification can also be used with DFI self-developed module cards, including M.2 expansion cards for LAN, USB, COM-port, and SATA. For application market and successful case section, the ADS-630 performs efficient operations with lower power consumption and is more intelligent, making optimal adjustments to workloads or workflows immediately, and paired with Deep Learning Boost, DL Boost, and Vector Neural Network Instruction Set. VNNI, providing more accurate and fast judgment results for visual computing applications such as defect detection and AGV AMR. We have many customers using DFI ATX products for machine vision and motion control. Machine automation is at the core of smart manufacturing, integrating motion and I/O sensing to maximize efficiency, optimizing performance, and improving quality. Used with graphics card, network cards, motion control cards, and digital I/O cards for vision inspection equipment. It also has good development in the fields of industrial automation and smart factories. ADS-630 provides a full range of performance and efficiency optimizations. From reading and writing speed, data transmission, to eye computing power, it will be used for high workload eye visual analysis applications, industrial automation, and medical and retail industries, bringing unprecedented intelligence and rapid experience. To learn more about ADS-630 and DFI, you could kindly scan the QR code for more information about DFI products and success stories. At the end of today's presentation, we request your valuable feedback. Please scan the QR code and complete the survey. You will have a chance to win one of the USD $25 iTunes Apple cards. That's a wrap for today's webinar. If you would like to know more about us, you could leave us an inquiry. We will reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for Intel's Sherman Chen sharing and all of you spending time with us. We hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.